Friends, hello. I wasn't entirely satisfied with my previous work. There are still areas with spots and imperfections that I'd like to cover. So I decided to experiment a little and see what I could do to improve it. Here's my plan. I'm going to create some simple linear pattern to enhance the piece. First, I'll put some paint using a basic solvent. I prepared the paint in a small container, just enough to cover the areas I want to fix. Initially, I tried simply pouring the paint over the problem areas, but it didn't give me the result I was hoping for. So I decided to take a more drastic approach, removing the excess paint and essentially reworking the entire piece. What I love about this type of painting is that it's so forgiving. You can completely transform a canvas if you are not happy with it. By using the leftover paint and playing with the tones, I was able to create a pattern reminiscent of agate. The natural flow and layers form a beautiful organic design, which I decided to leave untouched. The painting now has a vibrant striped look similar to African agate with rich tones and a natural texture. I have chosen not to encourage the formation of cells this time, as I really enjoy the simplicity and elegance of these flowing lines. Some cells started to appear naturally in certain areas, but I've decided to leave them as they are. In the end, this reworking process turned out to be a wonderful way to breathe new life into the piece. While the final result wasn't what I originally envisioned, it's bright, bold, and visually striking, exactly what I wanted to achieve. This process is a great reminder that you shouldn't worry if something doesn't turn out the way you planned. There are always an opportunity to rework and transform your piece into something new and beautiful. Experimentation is key, and often the best results come from trying unexpected techniques. Thank you for joining me on this creative journey. I look forward to seeing you in the next lessons. Until then, keep experimenting and embracing the possibilities of your art.